Good evening, tutoring classmates. My name is Eduardo Lopez, student of licensing teaching as a foreign language in the UNAD. In this opportunity, I'm going to talk to you guys about the customs and traditions of my city, which is Bogota. Okay, so Bogota, with its 482 years of age, is a city located in the center of Colombia on a high plateau known as the Bogota Savannah, part of the Altiplano Cundiboyacense, located in the eastern cordillera of the Andes. When we talk about family, Bogotanos, as we are known, like most Latin Americans, belong to a culture of collectivism, where everything revolves around family, society, friends, groups of people, and obviously food, which is totally delicious here in the country. Bogota traditionally has become an intercultural city with roots in all regions of the country, and it can be stated without fear of exaggeration that most families in Colombia have at least one relative in the capital. Obviously, this being because it's the capital, a lot of people come here to study or look for work. Typical food or traditional food that is eaten here in Bogota, or some of the food we have, is the tamale. The other one is ajiaco, which is a very delicious soup. Also fritanga and changua. And Colombian Independence Day is celebrated all around Colombia on the 20th of July, as it says right here. It's particularly celebrated with parades, but most of it here in Colombia, the military forces, the government, organizes a parade where they can show all their weapons, all the military weapons, including airplanes, helicopters, fighting jets, etc., tanks, etc., etc. On the 6th of August, Bogota celebrates its birthday. This 2020, Bogota is going to celebrate, or it's celebrating its 482nd birthday. Traditional places that people normally visit here in Bogota are the Candelaria, which is the colonial district of La Candelaria. It was officially the first neighborhood of Bogota. After that, they started, kind of like expanding, or like making the city a lot bigger, and from that point they started building and expanding, the city. Also, we have the Bolivar Square, which in Spanish is La Plaza de Bolívar, or Plaza Bolívar. It's the main square of the capital. Around that area, you also have the Nariño Palace, which is the house of the President of Colombia, and the Congress, the mayor's house or the mayor's office, and some other buildings, very, very important buildings here in the capital city. We also have Parque Simón Bolívar, or the Simón Bolívar Park. It's a green space for entertainment and a sports complex located in the middle of the city. Most of the people here in Colombia, in Bogota, I'm sorry, like to go to this park. Maybe, I don't know, to ride the bicycle, to walk around the lake that it has in the middle, or simply just to go there with the family to have, a fun day. And when we talk about Montserrat, or Monserrate, which is a high mountain over 10,000 feet high that dominates the city center of Bogota, we can say that a lot of people like to visit this mountain because it has a church on the top, and a lot of Catholic people like to visit this church to to ask for miracles, or just to go there to visit the church, and probably take a look at the city from above. The traditional festivals that we have here, or some of the traditional festivals that we have here in Colombia, one of them is the Bogota International Book Fair. Filbo is the most important event to promote reading and the publishing industry in Colombia, and one of the most important in Latin America. The Ibero-American Theater Festival is a cultural event that originated in Bogota, the world capital of theater. Fanny Mickey was kind of like the leader of this festival, and obviously she's not Colombian. She was born in Argentina, but she was the one leading everything related to this festival. Another one, or other two, but very very new festivities that became tradition are the Stereo Picnic Festival, which is a music festival that takes place annually in Bogota. Um, that festival, it's normally done either outside of Bogota or sometimes in the Simon Bolivar Park. And this other one, which is done at the Simon Bolivar Park always, or has been done at the Simon Bolivar Park always, is the Rock al Parque, which is a rock music festival that started in 1994 and has taken place since then. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great night.